Hello guys, welcome to another quick video. In this one we're going to talk about another geometry term which is what we call the winding order. Okay, so when you are having like a polygon, no matter how many points you have, you're going to have a way to determine like where is the front of the face and where is the back of the face, right? Now normally we would, for many CG artists, it will be something very familiar. It's actually represented by the normal, right, of the face. But internally, however, it is not that simple. It is actually defined by a winding order. So let's take a look at that. Now go to curve and create a curve with point snapping on, grid snapping on, so we can create a triangle. Okay, like this. Right, now you can see we're having this really nice looking triangle, right? And let's go ahead and create another triangle. Okay, and this time we go for, I don't know, maybe this direction. Cool. You can see we created two triangles, but however, Houdini gives you the flipped normal direction, right? Those two curves, this one and this one, right? They're the same shape, but they're having different face directions. Okay, now you would assume that you can reverse the normal direction, right? So we can do that. We can do attribute rangle here. And for the points, now we can take a look at the normal direction. You can see they're facing down, right? We can say, okay, add normal equals to up now. So I can just say, excuse me, 0, 1, 0, right? And that would make the normal go up, right? So all the normals of the points are going up, but still it's not really facing up, right? Well, this one you can see they're already facing up. We can merge them together to take a look at them all together, right? Right, so apparently, changing the normal direction wouldn't really help, okay? But we all know that there is also another node in Houdini called the reverse node, okay? Now this reverse node would actually do the trick. Okay, now so the reverse node, however, is not something you would say it's reversing the normal, right? The normal is not reversed. The normal is always the abnormal, even when the face is in the wrong direction. This reverse actually changes the winding of the points. Okay, so what is the winding of the points? Well, it's basically a way of, saying that how do you want to connect this geometry into a triangle, because you have a bunch of points, right? And there are two different orders. One is clockwise, another one is counterclockwise. Okay, now it is based on the implementation of the program to determine like what kind of a winding order you use. Sometimes they're clockwise, sometimes they are counterclockwise, right? So this is not determined. This is like kind of like something based on what the developer want to have, okay? But it's gonna follow that rule. So that's why when we're creating a curve, right, we go for like this clockwise order. We're pretty sure that it's gonna go upwards and giving us the correct face direction. And if we're creating them in the reversed order, then you can see it's going down. Now there's no way you can use changing the normal direction of the points of the face to do that. You can do the normal here for everything. Like you can do an attribute rangle here and say, okay, maybe we can do that primitive at normal equals to 0, 1, 0, right, to go up. The normal of the face is going, actually you cannot change it in here because it's limiting it by the, let me see. It's limiting it, so let's take a look at that. The normal direction, right? Even it's showing going up. I think this is showing the face direction though. So nonetheless, it is never about the normal direction. It's about the winding order when it comes to like where is the front of the face and where is the back. Okay, and again the reverse node is reversing the winding. So internally, what it does, or what I guess would be, is this. Right, so you have a bunch of points. You can say int points that consists of this current primitive. We can go to the primitive, of course, equals to prim points. Okay, first input, and then prim number. All right, and then all we do is we reverse the order of the primitive, and I'm not sure if there's a way to do that. Maybe there is a function to do that. I'm just not investing in that, but you could rebuild it to reverse it. So what you do is you can say, okay, we can do, I don't know how many points we have, so but this is having 4 points, so we can just quickly do it. So we can say remove primitive first, right? Prim number, right? And we don't remove the points, and then we add another prim backwards in the backward order. So we're adding a poly, of course, and we're adding it based on the reversed order. So it's going to be points at 0, oh actually 0.3, and then 2 and 1 and 0. That way we'll reverse the winding of the primitive. So 3, 2, 1 and 0, right? Okay, you can see how we're getting a reversed primitive, right? So this winding, right, which point goes first to go around and create this primitive will be determining the direction of any face. Okay, yeah, I think this is some confusion that, you know, for many artists that they're thinking that the normal direction is actually the direction of the face. It's only the direction to how to calculate the lighting, right? That's the purpose of normal. It's not determining the face direction. Okay, cool. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. See you next time.